Tennant Company's T7 Micro Rider Floor Scrubber delivers excellent cleaning results in small spaces. The T7 Micro Rider Floor Scrubber increases productivity and provides health and safety benefits for your customers and employees. The T7 is easy to operate and improves your facility's image by providing consistent cleaning results, all with a low cost of ownership. Floors are clean, dry, and safe for traffic in seconds with ECH2O technology. Reduce your cost to clean with Tennant's T7 Micro Rider Floor Scrubber. Intuitive, easy-to-understand controls simplify training. Low operating noise enables energy-saving daytime cleaning. Tennant's T7 Micro Rider Floor Scrubber delivers outstanding cleaning performance while providing health and safety benefits for your operators, employees, and customers. Reduce the risk of slip and fall accidents in your facility with excellent water recovery. Reduce mold and bacteria with the easy-to-clean hygienic solution and recovery tanks. Enhance your facility's image with Tennant's T7 Micro Rider Floor Scrubber. Clean tight spaces with this compact design and highly maneuverable handling. This scrubber provides excellent down pressure and pad RPM for powerful cleaning. Tennant's T7 Micro Rider Floor Scrubber features innovative engineering for easy operation and maintenance. Intuitive controls simplify training and operation. Tennant's T7 Micro Rider Floor Scrubber provides exceptional cleaning results while delivering reduced cost to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image, all in an easy-to-use and maintain micro scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.